Whoa, Milo! That cart's heading straight for the pier!
Not if I can catch it first, Juno. The chase takes to the rooftops as the team splits up.
You think your chameleon tricks can slow me down?
Keep dreaming, Milo. This cart's mine to stop. The final showdown unfolds as Juno takes a leap of faith.
Hold on tight, Nova! This is gonna get bumped!
All right, you win this round. Nice work, Juno. Team effort, Milo. Even you were pretty impressive.
See you around, Milo. Try not to steal my thunder next time.
No promises, Juno. Till next time.